everybody, thank you for tuning in. This is just a quick tutorial before and after of how to do a retwist on some starter locks. So just stay tuned and we're going to jump right into this video. So the first thing you want to do is grab some water and hydrate the hair like I'm doing, just spraying it with some water. This is usually the stuff that I use to retwist, but I wanted to try something different, so I used the Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink gel. It works so well. You'll see how good it acts with his hair. So we're going to get right into twisting. You can either use the comb method or you can just use your fingers to twist. But right now I'm showing you the comb method. You just want to grab the hair and just start twisting the hair all the way up into the root. Get twisted as well. Then you just want to grab a clamp and place it on the hair like I'm doing, and I'll show you that again. Next, you want to put some gel on the hair and you just want to start twisting the starter lock, and you want to make sure it's twisted at the root as well. And then you just want to grab a clamp and you just want to place that clamp on there like I am doing. You want to continue to twist the starter locks throughout the head, and I'm going to show you how it looks halfway completed, and also I'm going to show you how it's looking once all of the twist is done, but we're not finished yet, so keep watching and I'm gonna show you the next thing to do. So it's blow dry time, and when you blow dry on low heat. Okay, now I'm just giving him a quick cut because he wanted his hair to look real fresh, so that's what I'm doing. Once that's done, I am taking off the clamps once everything was dried and he had that fresh haircut. And this is how it should be looking at this moment. And yeah, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And I have a lot of more tutorials to come to show you all about natural hair and other things as well. So stay tuned. Have a blessed day.